Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar, Transforming the Loan Approval Process for Modern Banking and Financial Services using XfilesPro. So I'm Dhananjay, your BFSI industry expert with 15 years, and I've joined by Tejaswini, our product expert at XfilesPro. So over the next 30 minutes, we will walk you through how traditional loan approval process are evolving and how technologies like Salesforce, XfilesPro DocGen are enabling that transformation. So moving on, here's what we're going to cover today. We'll start with an overview of the loan approval process in Salesforce, then highlight the common challenges financial institutions are facing right now. From there, we'll shift the focus to the solution, XfilesPro DocGen, to a live demo and real-world outcomes. So let's dive in. So before going ahead with today's topic, I would like to give you a quick glance about XfilesPro, what we do within Salesforce ecosystem. We are partners of Salesforce for 15 years plus now, with extensive experience in Salesforce ecosystem. And this brings with 5 amazing products on Salesforce App Exchange. We have about 1,000 plus customers across worldwide. And to start with our flagship product, XfilesPro File Management, Document Storage. XfilesPro enables secure, automated external file storage from Salesforce to platforms like SharePoint, AWS S3, or Google Drive, which significantly reduces the storage cost while maintaining seamless access. The next in the lineup is XfilesPro DocGen, which is the topic that we're going to cover today on few points, which allows users to automatically generate, manage business documents within Salesforce using dynamic data and customizable templates like contracts, work orders, so on and so forth. Next is Data Archiver Backup. Data Archiver Backup provides automated, secure, and reliable backup of Salesforce data, metadata, to external platforms, ensuring data protection and quick recovery. And the next one in the lineup is Data Archiver enables secure Salesforce native archiving of historical data to reduce storage costs and improve system performance while ensuring compliance and easy access. Other two are Extract and Xmailbox, which are the new 2 products that we have right now. And that is Xmailbox is an email management solution tool that automatically captures, stores, organizes emails and attachments in Salesforce for seamless communication tracking. And Extract is an OCR that transforms unstructured documents into smart and searchable CRM data, which is powered by the latest buzzword, AI. So apart from the products that is listed here, from the file management or data management, we also solve challenges across entire Salesforce ecosystem from a consulting side as well. So moving on to the next slide. The overview of loan approval in Salesforce is in a Salesforce enabled environment where loan approval typically follows through the sequence, right? First, creating a loan request application form, then comes with document submission where ID proofs, income statement, credit histories, right? Monthly statements, which all comes under the underwriting process. And these documents are annually uploaded, reviewed, and also where the decision and pre-closing come into the picture there. The application is then routed for approval, and finally the approval document or the sanction letter is generated. While this process seems structured, but the backend often tells a different story. That is where challenges of traditional loan processing comes into the picture. So let's talk about the real pain points here, right? So disconnected document workflows, right, where it means that files are scattered, emails, hard drives, right, even WhatsApp. And we also see manual document generation, which leads to delays and inconsistencies. We also see approved documents are often stored in silos, creating challenges in retrieval and compliance. And also we also see some turnaround times are long, hurting both internal KPIs and customer satisfaction. And last but not the least, we see the non-compliance risk escalate without audit trials or version control. And perhaps the most critical is the customer experience with them. They see the suffering. Finally, financial institutions need a smarter and a unified way of managing finance. Moving on. So what financial institutions need is that we have seen challenges from the financial institutions face, right, day to day, from loan operations. So let's look at what modern digital first lending environment truly needs. Think of this, that a checklist that every progressive financial organization should aspire to. Centralized document management inside Salesforce. Today, data lives in Salesforce, but documents live everywhere else. So that's a recipe for inefficiency and risk. So what financial institutions need is a single pane of glass where loan data, documents are housed together in Salesforce, accessible to every stakeholder without toggling between platforms. This isn't just about convenience, it's about like data integrity, faster approvals, and complete visibility. And the second point that we come to is automated generation of approval letters and supporting docs. Manual documents generations you see slows down and open doors to human error. And banks and NBFCs needs rule-based document automation engine which pulls the right data from Salesforce, use pre-approved templates, generates approval letters, sections, memos, and dispersal documents automatically. So this like ensures a speedy accuracy and brand consistency across every touch point. So the next comes the integration with the external cloud storage. So we are living in a multi-cloud world where institutions may already be storing files in AWS, S3, Google Drive, SharePoint, or Azure Blob. What they need is a seamless integration between Salesforce and these storage providers so that files remain in sync, policies stay enforced, and storage costs are optimized. No duplication, no loss of control, just smooth, secure interoperability. So the fourth point, what we see is secure and compliant file access control, right? So if you see the BFSI sector is governed by strict regulations by OCC, Federal Reserve System, Federal Deposit Insurance Corp. So that means the documents handling must include granular access control, time-stamped with audit trials, version tracking, and e-signature authentication. So institutions need a document platform that's not just efficient, but regulatory ready. The last and the final point here is the faster AI-assisted decision making. Finally, the future is all about intelligent workflows, right? The system auto flagging complaint files. Can it suggest next steps based on application type or past trends? Can it route high risk applications for senior approval faster? So the institutions need tools that just don't manage files. They should accelerate decisions with AI, automation, and approvals can like move from days to hours. So right now I'm going to hand over the next sessions to Tejaswini. Tejaswini, can you take it from here?
Yeah, thank you, Dhananjay, for addressing most of what banking and financial services is facing, and what do you think is the change that you have to get there? So I would, the entire transformation is very important to get things faster right there, right? Since you introduced me as the product expert, I am really grateful to show how our product, Xfiles Pro DocGen, can transform this entire process. Stay with me until I complete the demo. So I understand it all begins with the customer or relationship manager filling out a loan application form, right? So this can be done either via their portal or Salesforce Experience Cloud or directly within Salesforce. So the moment this form is submitted, the data instantly reflects in your Salesforce. I'll be showing that. See, all the fields are mapped, and this is how it shows in Salesforce, triggering the next step in the approval workflow where there is no delay or there is no double entry. Now, moving on, you can also check all of the fields that is mapped. These are all the fields that were mapped from the external application form. Now, let me pause here. I know traditionally collecting KYC documents, income proof, tax returns, and so on is meant to be either on emails, attachments, or physical copies. But with Xfiles Pro's Get File feature, you can send a secure document link to the applicant. For example, let's take an example. If my customer is Ratish Kumar and I am typing him an email saying I need the KYC documents, right? So let us give an email body of whatever is convenient to you. I'm going to write, "Hi Ratish, please upload your documents in the link given below," right? So I'll show you what happens and how this email lands in the customer's mailbox. So after you type your email body with whatever the necessary inputs you have to give them, you can directly click on the send button. Right. So when you click on the send button, this is how the email looks like from the customer's perspective. Okay, so when you click on the click here option in the email, it directly takes you to the upload or drop file. So once you upload, you can select n number of files. I'm going to select 3 here and then open. This gets uploaded in a snap. And what happens next is that the uploaded files aren't just dumped into any random folders, but instead they're automatically synced to Salesforce record. And depending on your configuration, like Dhananjay mentioned of people using clouds already in this digital world, it can be stored in external platforms like AWS, SharePoint, or Google Drive in a structured manner. I meant in a folder structure that you want to configure. This is the root folder that I'm showing, and all the documents are here. Now let's see how the document processing happens. So this is the DocGen component, and we have taken an example of home loan approval where the review and e-signature has to go hand in hand, right? So I will show you what happens to the file that gets landed here. Now you might be wondering, how did the document land here? Right. So I will tell you how this landed. Once the review and the e-signature is done, the document will be generated. And after the customer signs it, the document comes to the loan officer either by notes or attachments. And this will be moved to the external storage, whatever your organization is using. But the best part, you can see the visibility in Salesforce. So this is what is happening right here. The file that you are seeing right now in the root folder is not in your Salesforce, but in the external storage. But when you click on the link, you can still see your loan application, the signed application. Right? Not just this, let me go and tell you The other features that are very important and which financial and banking services needed immediately, I would also like to stress on how the document review, approval, and generation inside Salesforce has to go hand in hand. So here's where XfilesPro DocGen really shines. You can view uploaded files directly within Salesforce. You can collaborate with underwriters or credit officers, use templates to auto-generate approval letters and sanction documents based on loan terms, applicant details, and business logic. You can capture e-signatures natively. Not just that, you can track the entire audit trail of who accessed it, who modified it, who approved it, or who signed the document. And the best part, it all happens without you leaving your Salesforce. So you're still inside Salesforce doing all of this, but your documents are resting outside, which is not troubling you in either ways. Now, I know you are looking for instant value realization, right? So let's think back to the challenges that Dhananjay discussed. Dhananjay, you just said you have disconnected document handling. That is solved. We spoke about manual errors in approval letters. That is eliminated. Compliance gaps and audit trials is one of the major issues, which is closed. Long TAT is reduced by over 50%. What used to take 3 to 5 days can now happen in 24 to 48 hours with lesser effort, more accuracy, and full visibility. You guys might be wondering now why all this matters. That's the very first question that I would like to answer. This isn't just about automating, it is transformation. Your teams are empowered, your customer feels in control, and your compliance officer finally breathes easy. With XFiles Pro DocGen, you're not just speeding up the entire loan process, you're elevating the customer experience, which is the very important aspect, I believe, in financial and banking services, where your customer experience is above everything for you guys. So driving operational excellence and future-proofing your document workflows. Now, already you are seeing the business impact on the screen, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, let's talk results. Institutions using XFiles Pro DocGen have seen 60% faster loan processing time, where loan approvals that used to take days now just take hours. 90% fewer document-related errors thanks to automation. Improved compliance and audit readiness with versioning and e-signature. Above all, which I already spoke about to you guys, is a seamless internal and customer experience, less back and forth, more transparency. Now, let me tell you, one of our BFSI clients, we have shared that what used to take 5 to 7 days for them is now happening under 48 hours without compromising on quality or compliance. Now, these aren't optional features anymore. And whatever I discussed on the call are like very little, we do have more of it. In today's competitive and compliance heavy financial landscape, crucial enablers of speed, security, and customer trust. That's where XFiles Pro DocGen steps in, solving every one of their needs inside your Salesforce environment. What more do you guys think you need? I am going to end my topic on this, telling the only solution you have, or the go-to solution you have to, automate your document process until your review, approval, and the e-signature. You have to go with, AI automated or the automated product, which is XFiles Pro DocGen. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop in the chat box. And also your email ID so that we get back to you with those questions. And we would also love to get connected on LinkedIn and take your queries there. Thank you.
So thank you, Tejaswini. So we will be, as Tejaswini mentioned, we would love to get connected on LinkedIn. If you have any questions, please drop in an email. You can call the same 951-234-888 number, or else you can also visit our website, and we are also available on App Exchange. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.